Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the YOLEO High Chair for Toddlers, a compact and portable booster seat perfect for dining tables and camping adventures. This high chair requires no assembly and supports up to 33 pounds, ensuring stability and comfort with its adjustable 3-point harness and non-slip feet pads, while double safety straps keep it securely attached to any chair. Designed for convenience, this travel high chair folds flat to fit into your suitcase or travel bag, making it an ideal choice for restaurants, visits to grandparents, or camping trips. With 4 adjustable height levels, it adapts effortlessly to different table heights and stages of your child's growth, providing versatility and ease of use. Cleaning is a breeze as the all-plastic booster seat can be wiped down or washed in the sink, and the detachable tray is dishwasher safe for a thorough clean. Installation is simple, as it straps securely to any regular chair, transforming it into a safe high chair for your little one, and when not in use, it folds up compactly for easy storage. Please note, it's recommended to use this booster seat only when fixed to a chair and not on the floor. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.